Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing video. Today's video, I want to do a tutorial on how to curl your hair using flex rod, and that is what I use to make these beautiful curls. This is another way you can make yours. I used flex rod. Be comfortable with natural hair going to take you through. If you wish to change your style, maybe you have low porosity, you can always make some curls to give you some volume and you're good to go. This is the style for you. Actually, I'm using this flex rod for the first time. I've always used pipe cleaners. So let's see how it will come out. I had started doing my hair, then I thought of you people and I said, no, let me just do a tutorial on this. Maybe there are people who might be interested. Before applying the flex rod, you need to wash your hair and get yourself some flex rod. My locks are clean. I just washed them. And you also need to have some spirit or your water spray, some mousse, not a must, but if you want your curls to hold for long, you might need some mousse. The first step is to section your lock. Don't take a lot of, if you have a dense hair, just pick some few locks, just section kidogo, and then spray it with the water to moist it. Then apply some mousse on a damp lock, also the tips. Then take your flex rod. I'll start by rolling from the tips. Secure the ends and roll it all the way up. Just the way I'm doing. Then bend it like now that you're putting a lock so that it cannot unravel. Then this is will continue until the whole head is done. Take a few locks, spray it with your water, apply mousse. Then take the flex rod, roll it all the way up, direct them on the direction where you'd wish them to fall when styling. Guys, if you're clicking my video for the first time, feel welcome. I'm Sabi and I'm a loctician. On this channel, I share my DIY and also my clients' journey, and I also share some tips on maintenance of the Microlocs and Sisterlocs. And I take new clients as well. If you'd wish to have your hair done or you have a client, you can send referral my way. I'm open for new clients. I'm based in Kisumu, and leave my number in the description box so that you can contact me if you consider having sister lock or even retie. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and press the like button and give me a thumbs up. Support my channel and press the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you will be among the first to get notified. Watch the video up to the end. The flexi rod is not enough for my hair, so I will use this pipe cleaner to finish up. Done fixing the rollers, and I will see you tomorrow when taking them down. See ya then. It's another day and we are taking them out. Let's see how it comes out. Wow, I'm loving it already. I think I love it. Guys, I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Let's grow this channel together. I like what I'm seeing, just as expected. They are nice with the tight curls. Guys, this is a simple style and it's a DIY. You don't need to go to the salon to do it. Avoid it by any means. Just if you have the flex rod, just do the way I did it and sleep over it, and the next day you're good to go. To style it, just run your fingers in your locks like this on the direction you'd want to style them. Let me give you a 360. This is my to-go hairstyle. It makes my hair look fuller and I love it. I don't get tired of wearing it, and I like to wear my hair loose like this. I always feel comfortable in this hairstyle. Give it a try. I'm pretty sure you love it. You can never go wrong with curls. I love it. I'm happy with the outcome. Thanks for watching this video up to this end. It was nice having you around, and I will see you in my next. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya.